Were you recently diagnosed with gonorrhea, or have you got concerns that you might have the infection? In this video, I'm going to tell you the most common symptoms of gonorrhea and what you can do about it. My name is Sarah Jeffries. I'm a registered nurse with a Masters of Science in Nursing and experience in ER, education and sleep therapy. So gonorrhea, or the clap as it's also known, is one of the most common sexually transmitted infections. According to the CDC and World Health Organization, rates are rapidly increasing due to antibiotic resistance and improper use of condoms. The infection is transmitted through unsafe sex, including oral and anal, and causes major issues for everybody. One of the big issues is infertility. For those with male parts, the infection occurs in the testicles and prostate glands, while for those with female parts, it tends to progress into pelvic inflammatory disease, causing persistent pain in the abdomen. This often puts the person at risk of developing ectopic pregnancies. So what are the most common symptoms associated with this STI? Within a couple of weeks of unsafe sex, you might start to see gonorrhea symptoms such as dysuria, that means pain when you pee. This is sometimes characterized as a burning sensation as well. The second symptom you might see is vaginal discharge, that's unusual green or yellow colour. The third symptom you might see is periods that are heavier and even bleeding between periods. The fourth symptom you might see is bleeding after sexual intercourse, and the last one is lower abdominal discomfort. Other symptoms for those with male genitalia are, again, dysuria, burning when you're peeing. The second symptom you might see is a similar green or yellow hue coming from the head of the penis. You also may have pain in the testicles. The last symptom is inflammation of the foreskin, or if you're circumcised, inflammation around the area of the tip of the penis. You can also suffer discomfort or unexpected discharge from your anal cavity if you've performed anal intercourse. Also, if bodily fluid comes into direct contact with your eyes, you can even get conjunctivitis, which causes inflammation, giving you a reddish eye. Also, the membrane of your throat may be infected if you've had oral intercourse. That's why you need to get tested by a doctor or local clinic if you think that you've had sex with an infected person. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes and not a replacement for medical advice or treatment. According to statistics, more than half the people who are infected with gonorrhea remain asymptomatic, and that's the scary thing. So meaning they appear fine but can still pass the infection on to others. So that means you owe it to yourself to practice safe sex, and if you think you've came into contact with somebody with an infection, then go and get yourself tested. Please subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you've experienced this STI and what are your thoughts on it. So gonorrhea, if left untreated, can lead to major health issues. While attempts to come up with an effective treatment have been going on for decades, bacteria continue to evolve and they develop resistance to nearly all of the drugs that have been used to treat them. So gonorrhea is on the rise because antibiotics are becoming less and less effective at treating the infection. According to the CDC, antimicrobial resistance is becoming a worldwide problem. This jeopardizes the ability to fight common infections. The rapid global development of multi and pan-resistant bacteria, aka superbugs, is particularly worrying. Bacteria evolve and cease to respond to antibiotics, making infections more difficult to treat and increasing the risk of transmitting the disease, getting really sick and causing infertility. While science isn't at the finish line in the battle against gonorrhea, those that are infected have to take care of themselves and continue to lead a healthy, happy life, and that includes dating or finding a community that doesn't label you or create a feeling of being alone or create even more stigma. Dating sites like Positive Singles create a platform for people with STIs to talk to each other and connect to other people who understand what they're going through. This website, I put the link below, was created to help people with STDs to stay safe and find love and support. The founder's vision was and still is to create a special community for those living with STDs, and they have over 2 million members to prove it. So check out the app, like I said, links below, and thank you for watching. If you want to hear about the best mattress for sleep that I'm absolutely in love with, click here where I tell you all about it.